up, everybody? Okay, so look, man, we're gonna do something, just a ridiculously quick tip. The eyes are a little bit out of focus, we can see that, but some nice tips on this is just if you want to bring out like an eye or something, just go ahead and use this, what is this thing called? Pen tool, okay? Pen tool. And just go ahead and dot out the shape. Now, I use Alt and I click in the middle to get rid of the tangent. And that just allows you to do this. Look, if I try to do this, you see the way it gives that tangent there, but if you hold down Alt and just click in the center, it takes that tangent away, and it just makes life a lot easier for you when you are creating masks or something. Once you've got that, just right click and say make selection, leave it on feather of 1, and just say okay. Now you've got the eye. Now I can say Control C, Control V, and it pastes that eye down there. You see that? Now I can duplicate it. And hold on one sec. Right, like I was saying, now you can duplicate the eye. Now you've got a couple of layers on this. Put this to the bottom so the eye's on the top. And then you can go to like image levels and you can start bumping this eye up a little bit. See that? Well, this way. To make it kind of pop out, which is pretty cool. Obviously don't overdo it. You want some realism in this thing. But what I could do is I could bump it up like this. I could take the eraser, get a normal brush, and just something like this, and then just start kind of masking it out a little, blending it in. And there we go. So that kind of gives you a nice kind of a bright eye. Right, so you see what it does? It kind of just brightens the eye a bit. There we go. Very nice. I mean, the eyes aren't completely in focus. The focus is a little bit off. But this is just like a little technique of showing you what you can do. You can duplicate that then and just delete the other one, and you can just do little things. So you can kind of just, like, let's say you just want to bring out like this part there. You see? That's all I've left of that one. That's all I've left of that one. So let's have a look now. There, this little part there, you can go into your brightness and contrast, and you can brighten this up a lot. Give it a bit of contrast. You see how it starts? See that? See? This is how you start getting nice eyes. It's layers. That's all it is. Oh, look at that. It's quite nice too. You see that? And then it's just about blending them in. So you can take this one, you can bring this down a little bit so it goes about there. And see the difference. See the difference, people. See the difference. The difference is night and day. And obviously don't make them too bright so they just look unnatural. That looks nice. For me, that looks wicked. This one, could come down a little bit more. So you just want subtle. See how subtle? Subtle. And then this one is the bam. You see that? And from there, if you want to continue, you can either put a mask on it, obviously. But you can just go in and just... no, that's not good. I think we've got it nailed there. I think we've got it nailed. And there we go. And then you can see right away what it does to your image. See that? Just break it down a bit there. Brighten it up. Give it that little, as if the light's catching that, what's an iris or whatever the hell that thing's called. I forget. But there we go. Looking pretty damn cool. And it's just that quick and easy. It's little things that make your images look good. It's little things, little things that when you go in and you just start kind of darkening things up a bit and pushing the light out, don't burn it. Nothing looks great burnt. But even something like that, you see what it does? It just kind of, and there we go, you can mess with the opacity, higher, lower. See what it does? Kind of just pushes it out. But that's nice because it looks like the light's just catching it nicely. Anyway, I mean, this is a real nice, easy trick for eyes. Just to pop them out. You can do them to both. I mean, that one's got a weird reflection in it, whatever. But this is literally just showing you a ridiculously simple technique of popping eyes out. And it's a great technique. It's a fantastic one. Let's say we took something like this and... let's say we wanted maybe this to be a little bit brighter, like a streak of light going down there. I can copy and paste that entire thing. I can go into my brightness and contrast and I can just shine it up a little bit, something like that. And then you can just take like an eraser and you can just start erasing things out. Look, 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 look how easy this is. Look how easy this is. Boom. Blend it in nicely on that side, make sure that you get all that blended in, and look at what it does. Look at what it does. Look how quick and easy it is to get completely different results, adding subtle changes to it, and just make it look bam, bam. It's wicked. Love this shit. Love it. Anyway, I hope this helps. Quick, very quick techniques of just copying, pasting, and changing values, and then erasing what you don't want. And look how it changes from that to that. And it's just a massive change, man. It's just a welcomed, beautiful change. Boom, boom. See that? So quick and easy, and you can just add these beautiful things to it. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.